Exploring the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and animal interactions opens doors to a realm where technology meets the natural world. From wildlife conservation to decoding animal communication, AI's role in understanding and coexisting with our fellow Earthlings presents a captivating frontier of innovation and compassion. Now we're using AI to monitor wildlife, track migration patterns, and even understand animal communication. From decoding dolphin language to predicting bird migration, AI is helping us get closer to animals than ever before. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also aiding in animal conservation efforts. It's helping to protect endangered species and maintain biodiversity. From the deepest oceans to the highest skies, AI is our new lens into the animal world. In the fascinating intersection of technology and nature, AI is the game changer. Welcome to the future, where we don't just coexist with animals, we understand them. Stay tuned for more glimpses into this incredible world.